Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to get a new debit card on Citizens Bank. Now guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to citizensbank.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now when you do that, you just need to go and log into a profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to Citizens Bank. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Citizens Bank videos and you can see how you can actually do it. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us. So here, as you can see, we have the official Citizens Bank website where you can see we have a lot of things going on. Here we can go and see some personal stuff. We can see stuff for small businesses. We can go and see stuff for corporate businesses, private bank, and about the actual Citizens Bank. So here also on the personal, which we will be talking about, we have checking accounts, saving accounts, credit cards, home loans, students loans, investing and wealth management, financial educations. So these are basically the things that you can go and apply for. So also, of course, you have in the top right corner, you can go and log in, search for what you need from them. You can go and find a branch or ATM, or you can of course go and check the customer service of this website. Now guys, let's see how you can actually go and get a new debit card on Citizens Bank. Well, to replace your ATM card, call 1-800-922-9999 or visit your local branch. You'll receive your new Citizen debit card in 3 to 5 days. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining. If you did guys, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.